going to draw a super cool unicorn kitten, and we're gonna use some cool markers. Then we're gonna use one piece of paper and one black marker. So let's draw this super cute unicorn cat. Sparkle the unicorn lived in a magical forest with a glittering horn and rainbow-colored coat. She went on many adventures and was always kind and brave. Despite being unique, she found friends and lived happily ever after. And we can also add one more line below. And now we are ready to make some cute big eyes. Actually, I'm gonna go on this side first. I'm gonna go up and down and one curvy line at the bottom. Let's make another cute eye. Up and down and line at the bottom, just like that. What do you think, doggy? Oh, it's looking so cool. Thank you. Now we're gonna add some more circles. Let's add one here and a smaller one below. One here and small one. Cool. Now we're gonna make a curvy circle shape all around our small circles. And let's do the same on this side. Just like that. Cool. And now we can color in this one. You can even leave this white space at the bottom if you like, because it's looking really cool with it. Okay. Now we're gonna go a little bit up and add some eyebrows. Just like that. One. And we have two. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna add that super cool horn. So we're gonna go something like this. You can draw it as you like. I'm gonna make it like this, a little bit smaller. Okay. And then we're gonna go down. Now we need to make its head. So let's go to this side and let's go to that side. Now we're gonna connect these lines, these dots, sorry. And we go up, up, up. Cool. Now let's add some ears, so our kitten will look even cuter. Let's go on this side. This, down like that, and on this side as well. I'm gonna go like this, like that, and now we can add, maybe we can add a little fur, just like that. Or you can just connect it and make another triangle cute. Now we just need to connect these lines. And this side I'm gonna make another one. Cool, so cute. You can also put some dots here. And you need to connect the top part as well. That. Now let's draw some paws, body, and the tail at the end. So we're gonna go and draw its one hand, and then we're gonna go and create another one, and then we're gonna make a little toe, and on this side as well. We can also add some lines like this. And we're gonna add a little semicircle here, which we're gonna color in later. And let's add back legs. Something like that. It doesn't have to be the same. You can draw it differently if you like. And now we also need a little tail, but let's just finish this line here. Oh, doggy, sorry, I touched your little nosy nose. And now we can add a little tail, which is gonna go. You can draw it as you like. I'm gonna draw it like this. It's gonna go down, just like that. And later on, we're gonna color it using some cool rainbow colors. Okay, I think we're done with the drawing part, and now we can color in. So first, let's use this pink to color this part of its ears. Cute. Maybe we can add some pink here, just like a circle or oval. Okay, wow, it's so cute. Guys, I hope you love it as well, because for me it's looking perfect. Now let's go and color. Let's see, we're gonna use this part and this part. Okay, we're gonna color all the way around eyes, like that. And here as well. And you can color it differently, of course. You don't have to color like I'm doing now. So we're gonna go and color all the way around. And this part as well. Just that. Nice. Okay, and now we're gonna go down and also color. Let me see, I'm gonna also maybe do a little line here, so it's gonna connect these parts, just like that. It's cute. And now we're gonna color everything except this little circle in the middle. this. So we're gonna leave this white. Okay, next thing is to also color its nose, and we can leave a little circle like that so it looks shiny, and mouth as well. Cool. Now let's use a little bit darker orange and color its eyebrows. Cool. And maybe we can add as well some lines here, but it's okay, we can leave it like this. Maybe here we can add some lines. Just like that. Here as well. Wow, it's starting to look like a tiger a little bit. And we can add here a few lines just to make it look even more interesting. Cool. Now we can color the unicorn parts. So I'm gonna use a little bit of blue and color one part of the tail, just like that, and one part of the horn. Then we can use next color, please. Next color is yellow. And you know what we get when we mix yellow and blue? We get a perfect green. So we can use that here to make actually 3 colors. Just like that. And we're gonna also color these parts. I'm gonna leave a little bit of white to make it more interesting. And let's also add some pink on the top maybe. There we go. It's looking awesome. Also we can add a little bit of brown just around eyes, like a line, just like that. And you know what else we can add to make it look even more cute? We can add some eyelashes, just like that. They can be really small. They're gonna look perfect. And there we go, guys, we have created a perfect kitten unicorn and it's looking super cute. I would like this kitten to be my pet. Okay, we're gonna give it a little heart because we love our little unique kitten. And we're gonna give it a check mark. Well done, guys. And see you next time. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.